What's up, guys? I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is what I think is a black rat snake climbing that tree. And I'm gonna try and get over there and see if I can secure him. So stay tuned. Right now it looks like he's just suspended in the air, wrapped around that branch. But as soon as he starts moving this way, I think that's when I'm gonna start going after him. Hopefully he climbs back and I'll have to get in the water. Could be two snakes, I can't tell. But he's got something in his mouth. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. There you are, buddy. I see you. Come here. Come here. Hey. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is the second one. Got two of them. Come on. Ooh. Look at these guys. Got you both. Two black rat snakes. Look at you guys. I don't know if you're trying to eat the other one or if you are mating or what, but that was pretty cool. Just suspended in the tree. The one's trying to constrict me. Very cool. Hey, buddy. I don't know how good y'all can see this. Two rat snakes. Very cool. Very cool. Here's the better video taken on my phone of the two black rat snakes I just caught in that tree over there, right there. These cool guys. Brady snakes. All right, time to let these guys go. Let them back up on the tree. Hold on, let's go.